Hi guys, good morning, namaskara, adab and sat sri akal, and welcome to my channel drmadhkris vlogs. Today, I've been doing camping and off-roading since a long time, and as you know, and if you've seen my old videos, I've done off-roading and camping almost everywhere around Bangalore. So I'm thinking, let me go somewhere else. Been to the same places many times. I want to explore something new. So I was thinking, which are the new places I can go camping? Then I thought, let me find out from some of my friends. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you're not already done. Please click the bell notification icon. Let me call my friend Santy. Hey Santy, yeah, it's drmadhkris here. Just wanted to know if you know of any good camping places. Okay. And here he is.
Hey guys.
Santy, I was just thinking should go for camping.
Oh, fantastic.
But I've gone to most of the places, man.
Oh, okay, I'm going camping this weekend. Why don't you join me?
Where?
I'm going with campmonk.
Campmonk? Who is campmonk?
Haven't you experienced camping with them?
Well, no.
I think you should join us this weekend.
But where are you going camping?
I don't know.
Seriously?
All I know, it's mystery camping, man. So all I know is we're going someplace good, and there'll be other campers there. On the day of the camping, we get to know where we're going. So it's all a mystery until the weekend.
That sounds really interesting.
I think you should check out their website.
Yeah, that sounds like a plan. I'll do that. Campmonk. Looks like they're an interesting website. So they're asking me here to register. Let me register later. So just want to see what all they have. Looks like, yeah, they are called campmonk. And they have, okay, all decent packages. 1300. This seems a little expensive. 1700. Oh, even based on the location. So I want around Bangalore now. So let me see what all they have. Hidden hikes, pin drop, mystery camp, Christmas edition. Okay, looks interesting. So it says on 15th and 16th. Okay, today is 11th. Yeah. So let me see. Let me book it. Okay. I'll get back to you once I booked it. The check-in time will be shared with those who are on board. Okay, sounds interesting. I'm not sponsored by campmonk, but of course, campmonk, if you're listening, I'm here. They added me yesterday to a group itself. So I think we'll get the location in some time and then we can go ahead. Taking all our stuff from jeeps. Santy is here. Day of the travel. Here we go. That is Santy's Pajero. Going in that. Ready, Santy?
Let's roll.
So just started the journey. So they've sent the location. Yes, this is the place. Backyard camp. It's around 58 kilometers from where we are. It says around 1 hour 20 minutes ETA. So let's see. Out of the hustle and bustle of the city and onto the countryside. looking beautiful. 30 kilometers more. Almost reached there. So we reached the destination. Okay. This seems to be the entry for the farm. Yes, we reached. Now to unpack. Nice. Serene. There's a lake there, I don't know if you can see it. Bahubali. Me and Sandy are going to pitch up our tents. It's tight. Sorry. You guys are leaving?
No.
Let's get into that tent. Woo! That's the view we're having near our tent. Walking up to the lake, the sunset is almost happening right behind me. After a small trek, that's the lake, and that's the sunset. Such a lovely evening, a lovely campsite, and maybe I'll spend some time in the lake. See, for comparison, that's an elephant's foot and that's my foot. Awesome food getting ready. the food truck. Seems like some awesome stuff. Some barbecue going on.
Okay, so we have 15 questions in today's quiz. Okay, so they're going to come up on the screen, and then I'm going to look around for the first hand that I see. Okay, photos, vouchers courtesy of Camp Monk for them to come back camping, and these vouchers will be valid from Tuesday on.
Times Square.
And everyone's there to see this beautiful lady walking around with me. And then she asked me, do I look alright?
After a good evening of camping, it's now time to hit the sack. Good morning, guys. And after a good nights of camping, here we are. This lovely place. Let's take a look. Check out this tent. One important thing whenever we come camping is how good are the bathrooms, because in camping places we don't know how clean or is it possible to have a bathroom, but here they've done a good job. You have a clean bathroom. Thank you. Nice tea. Cool. Folks, here is Amit Shetty. He is the co-founder of campmonk.
Hey guys, I'm Amit, and we are right now at Pin Drop Mystery Camp. Pin Drop is really created to get a lot of newbies out camping, and as you can look around, there's a bunch of people out there who are enjoying themselves. Campmonk is about getting people outdoors to help them discover the outside. So do come check out our website campmonk.com, and hopefully we'll see you camping soon.
So a small token from my side, drmadhkris vlogs.
Thank you. Watch this guy. He's making some really cool videos.
Hi, what's your name?
Advait.
Did you go for camping today?
Yesterday I actually came.
Yesterday you came. What all you did?
Not yesterday.
Do you want to come again?
Yeah.
What did you like the most? What do you like the most about camping?
That one.
What is that? Oh, the hammock. The swing. You like that the most? Awesome. What did you see today?
I started the swing and and I see the tree knot and got the cheek.
He is the owner of this lovely camping place called Backyard Camping. Hi.
You all are welcome here. All outdoor enthusiasts, nature enthusiasts can come here and we're trying to use this land to its full potential that it can offer. There's a water body close by. You can do some kayaking, you can do some birding, cycling trails, running trails. There's plenty to do here. So any outdoor enthusiast, just come over and spend some time here with us.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks.
And it's always fun to meet another YouTuber.
Hey guys, this is drmadhkris. This guy is a very good vlogger. Just follow his channel and mine too.
And his too,
Bye.
yeah. After 2 days of fantastic camping and all the fun, we're off back to Bangalore. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and write us some comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you folks. See you next time. Till next time, care kadam, dukan